So we're here with Natasha Eames from the DSPCA. Natasha, you've got 3 dogs here, all facing the wrong direction,
Yes.
but all looking for a good home. What can you tell us about these individuals?
These are obviously, Rocky is our special appeal dog. He is in the shelter for the last 6 months looking for a home, which I've no idea because he's fantastic with kids, he's great with other dogs, he's just a big lovable dog, as you can see, rolling over for the belly rubs. MJ was a road traffic accident, so he only has 3 legs, so he was a bad state when he came in. And Ruby was a little owner surrender, so these 2 now I did myself adopt, if you know what I mean. I couldn't help, but Rocky is our looking for a dog. But he's great, he's a fantastic dog.
Right, because I've been watching the one on the right there running around with it. I didn't even notice he had 3 legs.
I know, he's fantastic. He's very good on the 3 legs. It doesn't affect him at all.
So he's coping very well. And I suppose just generally, I mean, we're coming up to Christmas here, and I suppose the message is a dog is for life and not just for Christmas, but you guys adopt all year round.
We do. We have rehoming policies in place, which our team are fantastic at keeping to. So it's ensuring that someone is there during the day to let the dog in out for walks or to go to the toilet or anything like that. And the dog's sleeping indoors, and that someone is basically there to look after the dog, and then they have a garden or a sufficient space for a dog to look after a dog. So we do rehome all year, which is brilliant for us. So because Christmas time would still be quite busy, because we would have a Santa experience, so there'd be a lot of people up in the shelter, which is fantastic.
And how many dogs would you currently have in Dublin looking for homes?
Gosh, we could have up to 60 dogs looking for rehomes. Now some of them would be in treatment kennels, which so they'd be under veterinary care or anything like that, for mange or kennel cough. So some of them wouldn't all be ready, but they would eventually come on stream. But we have about 30 dogs in the kennels, and anything up to 60 looking for a home. So we've a lot of dogs looking for fab homes out there.
So if people are interested in these 3 fellas here or any of the other dogs, how do they get in contact?
We've obviously our website, which is www.DSPCA.ie, and we're also open 7 days a week from 11 till 4:30. Or else our Facebook is fantastic as well. So and we have a Twitter account as well. So we've loads of opportunities for people to have a look at the dogs that we have available for rehoming.
And you're based out in Rathfarnham?
We are. We're in Mount Venus Road in Rathfarnham, so lovely facility up there. So loads to do and loads of animals to see and say hello to everyone.
Okay, that's perfect.